Nikki here. For this video, I was hoping to do something different and take you along with us this weekend as we go camping. Campground we're going to has a lake on it, so we're hoping to get out on the lake, do some paddleboarding, maybe some kayaking, and some fishing, and just have a chill time. Our last video, if you saw it, was us updating our bed to a Slat bed, and we're very excited to try that out, so we'll let you know how it goes. It's Friday, we're getting ready to hit the road, but there's a few things we need to do before we head out. So we're gonna pack, I need to check the fluids, and then we'll be on our way.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So we made it to our campground really late. It was dark, and we just set up some chairs and drank some wine around the fire and watched some soccer on my phone. Go NWSL. What did you think about the drive? It's pretty sketchy.
Pretty sketchy. Really windy roads, going down really fast, and lots of cars behind me. I eventually got too anxious and pulled over so that all the cars can pass me, so I didn't feel nervous anymore.
Yeah, so I'll definitely be buying some new headlamps for us because it's either the height of the car or just that they're older and it's super dim. It's hard to see.
Yeah, and all the cars that were the oncoming cars, lights super bright. I was pretty blinded by their lights, and it wasn't fun.
Yeah,
really dark. No lights, no street lights out on the roads.
Bottom line, I don't think either of us really like coming in at night when we camp. Yeah, we're here and we're excited to try out our new bed, and we'll let you know how it goes. So Nikki and I have been talking about how we appreciate that the campground is empty. My realization that we avoided campgrounds, public campgrounds, because all the sites are so close together. If the site that we're at today or this weekend was full, there would be so many people, and I would not be happy. What's up, y'all? I just woke up from a nap. We went and spent some time on the lake, tried to catch some fish, not catch any fish, but I'm excited for dinner because Honey asked for these steak chimichurri tacos that she saw on Instagram, and so that's what we're gonna have for dinner. So I thought I'd cook and you guys could watch. Maybe I should put the gas in first, huh? Alright, so I pre-marinated some skirt steak or flank steak with juice of an orange, lime, some salt and pepper, a beer, and some cilantro. And to go along with it, we got some pretty big flour tortillas and some cheese that will kind of melt and do like a little quesadilla thing with. For toppings, I made chimichurri with cilantro, lemon, lime, fish sauce, and garlic. And then I also wanted some corn.
Corn.
So we're gonna add some corn there. And then last is what's left of my homemade ahi mango pepper hot sauce. Thanks, King, for the pepper plant.
Hey guys, I'm enjoying my watermelon. It's super yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, we need better spoons.
I wish it was cold. That's the only thing. That's good.
So it's getting pretty windy, and we might want to upgrade. We've been talking about upgrading our burner to the Coleman. It's got a wind barrier. The Coleman, if you want to hit us up, send us a free burner, two stove burner. We'd love that. We'll do a review on it. All right, time for the tortillas. Some cheese on there, let it melt.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Good morning. It's our last morning here at Tuttletown Recreation Area. We slept pretty good last night. Did you sleep good?
Pretty well. A little bit cold, but
Yeah, it was chilly.
it's great.
We switched the direction that we slept on the bed, and I think we both liked it a lot more.
Yeah.
So we're going to make some noodles really quick, and then I have to take a call, and then we'll be cleaning up to leave. So I hope you enjoyed joining us this weekend. If you like this video, we'll probably post some more like it.
That's all, folks.
Storm.